I made over $500,000 just last month with this one digital product, and I want to show you what it is. I want to show you how you can use it too and how you can get that channel started, okay? So let's get into the video. Well, thank you guys so much for tuning into the channel today. And today, this is going to be your breakthrough, okay? So I'm going to teach you guys what one digital product you need to put on your faceless channel so that you can start making an endless amount of income, so you can get your freedom back, so that you can rejuvenate and restart your life, okay? I don't care where you are in life. I want you to watch this video, and I really want you guys to come and learn how to do this. I know a lot of us have been laid off. I know a lot of us have just all types of problems going on, family issues, health issues. I understand, but I want to teach you how you're going to start that channel, how you're going to put this one digital product up there, and how you're going to make your money in peace and quiet, okay? So this is what we're going to do today. I'm going to show you that one digital product that you need to put on your faceless channel so that you can make that money. And if you guys are new here, my name is Coach Sam. I teach women and men of all different types of ages, all different types of levels, how to start their channel, how to make money off that channel, and how to retire. Because I really want to let you guys know, a lot of us out there are thinking that we are below. A lot of us are so tired of what's going on around us, and they have us thinking that we are under them, that we are below. We are not, okay? We are not. I want to let you know today that you are the star. You just need to get this channel up, moving, ready to go. So we're going to get into it right now. So as you guys already know, I started a faceless channel in January 2024. And you guys, I made over $26,000 in my very first month. And now you guys, I am up to over $500,000 every single month. And it all started with these digital products. Y'all, put these things on your faceless channel, make that faceless channel, put these digital products on the channel, and collect your check, okay? So before we get into the video, what I'm going to do, you guys, is I'm going to do the shout out of the day, and then you guys, we are going to go ahead and we're going to get into the inspiration of the day. We're going to get into that video, okay? So the shout out of the day, you guys, is I got Miss Carol. You guys, Miss Carol is a retiree. She said her pension was not doing it for her. You guys, she was literally living hand to feet because of her pension wasn't enough until she started my program, you guys. And this is what she told me. Coach Sam, I thank you so much, because when I started your program, I was skeptical at first because I am an older woman. I don't have any experience doing social media, but Coach Sam, you have made it so easy, so simple. Anybody can do it. And Coach Sam, I thank you for all that you do for not only myself, but for our community. And girl, I want to sing you something. Carol, don't send me nothing. I am totally fine, okay? I just want everybody to be able to have just a little bit of freedom. I want you guys to be able to live y'all life. I want you guys to be flying first class. This is what this is all about. It's about taking back our freedom, taking back our dignity, and you guys really starting our channels and living our lives, okay? So the inspiration of the day, you guys, and I want you to put this in the comment section, is God will never, ever, 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 ever fail us, okay? So put that in the comment section and let's get to it. Before we get into it, you guys, I want to let you know the link for my program is going to be down below. So you're going to get all of your content already pre-made. You guys, I do not want you guys to literally sit there and have to worry about what to post. I did that for you. I made sure that everything that you need is already there. This is a no think, no work program, okay? So you're gonna have your content already made. Your digital product, which I am going to show you what you're gonna put on your channel for additional income, is already pre-made. You don't need to do anything else but post and put that digital product up there, okay? And you're also going to get, you guys, our grow group in the community. This is going to fast track your monetization. All you have to do, because I know a lot of you guys don't have any followers, because this is a brand new channel, and I know that you guys don't have a lot of followers on the channel, I want to help you to fast track your monetization. So all you have to do is literally go into our community. It is a grow group. Go put your name, put your YouTube handle in there, so we follow each other, and also we watch each other's videos so that you are able to get monetized within your very first week, or if you're at it, you guys, within your very first month. I have had so many students get monetized within their first week, okay? So I want to show you guys exactly how to do that. Put that name in there. And you guys, my course and program also comes with my weekly mentorship. And the weekly mentorship is that if you have any questions, if you have trouble putting this together, I am available for you guys every single week. I sit there and I do a full class for you guys, because I want you to learn. I want you to get this. I want you to start that life. I want you to go places. I want you to travel. I want you to travel first class, okay? I want these channels to pay for your entire life. So you guys, it is all within my course/program, and I'm going to link that below. But let's get into the video now, because you ain't going to want to miss this. And let me tell y'all something else. A lot of us have been laid off. It is a blessing that you have been laid off so that you can work on this channel. So let's go, let's get it, okay? All right, you guys. So like I told you before, literally it only took one channel to retire me. So I want to teach you guys exactly the steps that you're going to take to start that channel. And do this, you guys, even if you are a beginner. It doesn't matter if you are literally older person. It doesn't matter if you've never been on YouTube, you've never been on TikTok. You guys, you are going to start this channel and you are going to kill it, okay? And like I said before, you guys, I just have so much gratitude in my heart. I just wanted to show you guys how to do it, because y'all, they never teach us anything. They never want to teach us anything but to work. And that is something I am totally opposed of, especially when you can get on these channels, you guys, and you can make your money your way. You can do the things that you want to do because, you guys, you started that channel. So for all of you guys who really think that you cannot start the channel, you know, just have so much going on in your life, I'm going to tell you right now, start this channel. So the channels that I have started, you guys, I have 5 channels on TikTok and 5 channels on YouTube. This is how I start every single channel. Every single channel starts off with the 7,000 digital products. The reason you want to start off picking your digital product to link to the channel, you guys, is because you have to figure out what people actually need, what you're going to sell first. And you guys, these digital products, they literally account for over 90% of my income. And like I told you guys before, I made $480,000 in 1 month with this. So pick this up, start it today. 5 channels that I have on TikTok and YouTube are a budgeting channel, a debt channel, a resume channel, a motivational channel, and a biblical channel. You guys, you can find the link to all of your products right here within the course. So not only do you have your content that's already pre-made for you guys, but you have your planners, journals, ebooks. So you want to start off with the planner, journal, or the ebook, okay? And like I said, you guys, my channel that makes me the most money that gets the most attention, gets the most sales, you guys, is the budgeting channel. And I'm going to show you what planner I use. You guys, I made $125,000 with this one product, okay? And that was just in 1 month. So you guys, it's this budget tracker planner, okay? This is the budget tracker planner. You guys, this is already included for you guys in the course. Literally, the only thing that you have to do is literally go ahead. The only thing you have to do is go ahead and put this on your channel. Make your money, sis. So it starts off, step one, it starts off with the product. And like I said, you guys, there are so many people right now that are in debt. There are so many people that are looking to budget and really see where their money is going. And everybody in my comment section, I want you to put this in there, and I want you to remember this. Millionaires are made in crisis. Right now, we are in an economic crisis. Right now, you guys, we are in an economic crisis. There are so many people trying to figure out where they could budget, how they can cut back. You guys, and most people don't like walking around with that huge binder, folder. They like to do it digitally. You guys, put this on the channel and make your money, okay? So that is step one. Step one is finding the product that you want to promote on the Faceless channel. That's step one.